Hello, I am Rohit Das. I pursuing BBA in Hotel and Hospitality Management from EIILM-Kolkata. We are making a dish from Kashmir. The dish name is Kashmiri Madhur fruit Pulao. Let's start it.
For making the Kashmiri Madhur Pulao, we need the following ingredients. We need the onion, we need the ginger, we need the different type of fruits, the grapes, the black grapes, cherry and some dry fruits. We need the pomegranate and some ghee. It is one of the authentic cuisine of Kashmir, and it is known to be a sweet pulao. So we will start. Put some oil. We'll wait for the oil to get heated. Now we'll put some ginger, some chopped ginger. We'll put some onion chops. We'll let it fry for some time. We have kept boiled rice. We'll put the boiled rice. This is more of boiled rice. We'll flavor the rice with a little bit of sugar, as it is a sweet pulao. We'll put some ghee for flavor. Put some salt. Now we will put some dry fruits such as the raisins. We'll put some cashew nuts. We'll put some cut apples, diced apples. Put some grapes, some more black grapes, some cherries and some pomegranate. We can see it is a very colorful dish with lots and lots of fruits. At last we will flavor little bit with little bit of ghee, more ghee, and then we will put some garam masala powder. our Madhur Pulao is ready. So our dish is ready. Do try it at home and let us know how you liked it in the comment section below. Thank you.